Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder. You can't verify your email. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder, you can't verify your email. You should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of Tinder and you will enter. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click delete data because this may cause errors. And then you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on. Then you can wait a moment and you can turn off your airplane again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.